Welcome to Easy English Discovery.
Chop. Chop the onions finely before frying. Dice. Dice the tomatoes for the salsa. Slice. Slice the bread into even pieces. Mince. Mince the garlic to release its flavor. Grate. Grate the cheese for the pasta topping. Zest. Zest the lemon to add to the cake batter. Peel. Peel the potatoes before boiling them. Core. Core the apples before baking them. Pit. Pit the cherries for the pie filling. Trim. Trim the fat off the meat before cooking. Boil. Boil the water before adding pasta. Simmer. Simmer the sauce to thicken it. Blanch. Blanch the vegetables to retain their color. Steam. Steam the broccoli for a healthy side dish. Fry. Fry the chicken until golden brown. Deep fry. Deep fry the donuts in hot oil. Stir fry. Stir fry the vegetables on high heat. Sauté. Sauté the mushrooms with butter. Roast. Roast the turkey in the oven for Thanksgiving. Bake. Bake the cookies at 350 degrees F for 12 minutes. Grill. Grill the steak to your preferred doneness. Broil. Broil the fish until the skin is crispy. Poach. Poach the eggs for a healthy breakfast. Braise. Braise the beef in red wine for depth of flavor. Stew. Stew the lamb slowly for tenderness. Marinate. Marinate the tofu overnight for flavor. Season. Season the salad with salt and pepper. Dress. Dress the greens with vinaigrette. Garnish. Garnish the soup with fresh herbs. Glaze. Glaze the ham with honey and mustard. Beat. Beat the eggs until fluffy for the omelette. Whisk. Whisk the dressing ingredients together. Fold. Fold the whipped cream into the dessert mixture. Knead. Knead the dough until smooth and elastic. Roll. Roll out the pastry for the pie crust. Flatten. Flatten the chicken breasts for even cooking. Stuff. Stuff the peppers with rice and cheese. Skewer. Skewer the vegetables and meat for kebabs. Blend. Blend the smoothie ingredients until smooth. Puree. Puree the soup in a blender for a creamy texture. Mass. Mash the potatoes with butter and milk. Whip. Whip the cream until it forms stiff peaks. Chill. Chill the dessert before serving. Freeze. Freeze the ice cream mixture until solid. Thaw. Thaw the frozen berries before use. Reheat. Reheat the leftovers in the microwave. Toast. Toast the nuts in a dry pan for extra flavor. Caramelize. Caramelize the onions over low heat. Sear. Sear the pork chops to lock in juices. Deglaze. Deglaze the pan with wine after searing meat. Reduce. Reduce the sauce to concentrate the flavor. Emulsify. Emulsify the oil and vinegar for the dressing. Fillet. Fillet the fish before cooking. Shred. Shred the cabbage for the coleslaw. Julienne. Julienne the carrots for the stir-fry. Batter. Batter the fish before frying it. Bread. Bread the chicken cutlets before baking. Layer. Layer the lasagna with noodles, sauce, and cheese. Infuse. Infuse the oil with garlic for a subtle flavor. Temper. Temper the chocolate for a glossy finish.